1:33 AM. Magtotoss ko tayo. So, flower or number? What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Andito tayo ngayon sa airport. Kakadating ko lang galing abroad. We have a client kasi that wants yung personal watch ko that I'm actually wearing. Sabi niya, paglapag mo, daan mo agad dito sa BGC, brother. Wala naman tayong choice. I told him that I don't have the papers yet kasi syempre ando sa bahay. But it's okay daw. Basta daling ko lang yung relo sa kanya kasi he's from the province. So, ganun talaga. Kakalapag pa lang, meet up agad tayo. Tara. Here it is. Ito yung watch na gusto niya. It's the OP41 green. Sobrang mabenta nito since na bili siya ni Doggy. Kaya ito rin yung chine-check ng client. Gusto niya makuha agad tonight. Punta na natin.
Ba't pa natin susunduin si paring Hype sa Bait 12?
What's up? Yon! Bro, I don't know what's your name. Justin. Hi, Justin. Kamusta, bro?
Kaya, Pogi ba?
Your wrist is not big.
Oo nga.
I can remove one link pa.
Ngayon, right now?
Yeah. I have my tools always with me. If you want, let's even this out. Saan ka bang province?
Cavite.
Cavite lang pala. Maka-province naman to. Kala ko pa naman.
Kaya sabi ko kasi, ito na yun. Kailangan makuha ko na.
Try?
Sure, second. Gandang Pogi pare.
Yan din yung kinuha ni Doggy.
Oo nga.
Hindi ako si Doggy. Yan. So that's my second. After he got one,
kumuha ka pa.
actually pumutok yun. Ang dami naghahanap. Nice. It's a good size on you.
Hindi na ako nagdala ng watch. Para rekta sa watch. Okay naman eh. Wala nang siya stop.
No.
Naka-PPF na siya, no?
Yes. That's the good thing about it.
Kailan mo lang nakuha ito mo?
Not even few weeks.
Bago pa, no?
Yeah. I wanted it.
Nakuha mo siya, naka-PPF na sabi.
Yes. Naka-PPF siya ako.
So magkano bro?
550.
Magkano pinakasagad mo?
It's like new kasi eh.
Magkano yung
like
ni Doggy?
He got it for 550.
Natalo siya sa toss ko. Hindi mag-toss ko na lang.
Wag! Wala ako sa wish magsugal. I'm gonna like sige 540. That's the
540.
It's the same deal that I gave him 540. It's a smart move for me to just let it go for 540. I'll give you the same offer. 540. I think that's it.
Hindi kaya 535.
Nah. 540 mo na bro.
535 toss coin 550.
What? 535 or 550 toss coin. 1:33 AM. Magto-toss coin tayo. Wait, meron akong coin galing sa Hong Kong pa. Bro, never pa ako natalo sa toss coin. Natalo lang ako once kay Doggy din. Now, hindi headset. This is a Hong Kong dollar eh. So, flower or number?
Flower.
Flower ka?
Yeah.
I'll go with number 5. Ikot na lang? Yes! Nakita nyo yan guys. Binigay ko na ng 540. You wanted 550. Deal?
Deal.
Done. Thank you so much bro. Maraming salamat. Oh, kayo lahat. Magdi-dinner tayo bukas. Ako bahala sa inyo. Wait ko lang brother mag-restart. Yeah, received it. Brother.
It's good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you bro. Yeah. Oh, dahil na tayo, ilibre ko kayo McDo.